Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and today we are going to cover topic number 1.1.5 Additive Identity and try this. When we add 0 to any whole number that is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on, we get the same whole number back. That is when we add 3 plus 0 we get 3 back. When we add 71 plus 0 we get 71 back. That is when we add 0 to any whole number we get the same whole number back. Hence 0 is additive identity for whole numbers. Does this true for integers also? Let us check. When we add 0 to minus 8 we get minus 8 back. When we add 0 to minus 23 we get minus 23 back. When we add 0 to minus 59 we get minus 59 back. When we add minus 61 with 0 we get minus 61 back. So 0 is also additive identity for integers. Similarly we can check that when we add 0 to minus 8 we get minus 8 back. When we add 0 to minus 37 we get minus 37 back. When we add 0 to minus 43 we get minus 43 back. Similarly we can write any number here, that is 5, we will get the 5 back. So we can write 0 plus a equals to a plus 0, that is a, where a is an integer and 0 is additive identity. That is when we add 0 to any whole number we will get the same whole number back. Now let us try this. Question number 1 says that we have to write pair of integers that is a comma b, and we can choose a comma b from 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 and so on. That is we have to choose a and b from integers and we have to find the sum for the given questions. That is question 1a says that we have to find two integers such that sum is negative integer. Let us take a equals to minus 3, b equals to 2. We have sum a plus b equals to minus 3 plus 2, that is equals to minus 1. We have discussed the addition and subtraction in detail in lecture number 1. You can go and watch. In this question we got the sum, that is a plus b, that is negative, as asked. Let us solve question number 1b. B says that we have to find a and b such that sum is 0. We can take a equals to minus 7, b equals to 7. We will get sum a plus b equals to minus 7 plus 7, that is equals to 0. Question number 1c. We have to find integers such that sum is smaller than both the integer. In this question they are asking to find smaller, so we have to compare sum with A and B. So we will draw the number line at the end of this question to compare the sum and A and B. Now let us solve the question, that is we can take A equals to minus 2, B equals to minus 3. We will get sum A plus B, that is equals to minus 2 plus minus 3 equals to minus 2. Plus into minus is minus. Why? Because we have plus into minus equals to minus equals to minus 5. Now let us plot these numbers on number line, that is minus 5, minus 2 and minus 3. We have 0 in mid of the number line, then we have minus 2 on left of 0, minus 3 on left of minus 2, and we have minus 5 on left of minus 3. When we go on left side, you will get smaller and smaller numbers. So minus 5 is smaller than minus 3 and minus 2, which is asked in the question, that sum should be smaller than both the integers. Now let us solve question number 1D. Question says that integers smaller than only one of the integer, that is sum smaller than one of the integer. Here again we have the comparison, so we'll draw the number line. In middle we have 0. We can take A equals to minus 2, B equals to 1. We'll get sum A plus B equals to minus 2 plus 1 equals to minus 1. Now let us compare sum minus 1 with 1 and minus 2. We have 1 on right side of 0, then we have minus 1 on left side of 0, minus 2 on left side of minus 1. We have sum minus 1, that is greater than minus 2 but smaller than minus 1 is smaller than 1 and greater than minus 2. When we go on right side, we get larger numbers. Now let us solve question number 1E. Question number 1E says that you have to find sum that is greater than both the integers. We again have the comparison. So we'll draw the number line. Let's take this question on next page. Let us draw the number line. We have 0 on mid of the number line. Then we have to find two numbers, A and B. Let's take A equals to 3 and B equals to 4. So a plus b equals to 3 plus 4 equals to 7. So numbers to be compared are 7, 4 and 3. So we have 3 on right side of 0, we have 4 and we have 7. Sum is 7, which is greater than both the integers. When we go on right side of number line, we get larger numbers. We have question number 2, which says that you have to find pair of integers whose difference gives, you have to find pair of integers, that is a comma b. We have to take from 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 and so on, and we have to find the difference a minus b. Now let us first understand the logic for these questions. If we understand the logic, when we add, let us take 3 and 4. When we add 3 and 4, both are positive, so we will get sum greater than both the integers. When we add 3 and minus 4, we get sum as minus 1. Why? Because we are reducing. Negative means we are removing something from the given integers, so we get smaller number. Same for the difference. When we remove something, let us, if we see here, we have 3 and 4, we have to remove, that is we are removing something from these 3, you will get smaller than 3. It is answer, you will get minus 1, which is smaller than 3. And when we take minus 4, we are removing something twice, so we are increasing. You will get here 7, we are removing twice, so we are adding. First time removing is removing, we are removing twice, so second time removing is also same as adding. This is the logic behind these questions. Now let us solve the question. Question A says that we have to find difference as negative. So we can take a equals to 2, b equals to 3. We have to find a minus b equals to 2 minus 3. We will get minus 1. We are removing something from 2 and 3 is larger than 2, so we will get answer in negative. Now question number 2b. Question number 2b says that we have to find numbers such that difference is 0. We can take a equals to 9 and b equals to a, that is equals to 9. We will get a minus b equals to 9 minus 9 equals to 0. We get difference as 0. Now let's solve question number 2c. Question number 2c says that you have to find difference smaller than both integer. We can take a equals to -2, b equals to 3. We have a minus b equals to -2 minus 3, that is equals to -5. We have smaller, that is we have to compare numbers, so we can draw the number line. We have 0 in middle of the number line. Then numbers to be compared are -2, 3 and difference, that is -5. We have 3 on right side, -2 on left side, and -5 on left of -2. We have -5, that is smaller than both the integers. When we go on left side of number line, we get smaller numbers. Now let us solve question number 2d. Question number 2d says that we have to find the difference smaller than one of the integer. We again have comparison here. So we'll draw the number line. We have 0 in mid of the number line. Let's take a equals to -3, b equals to -1. We have difference a minus b equals to -3 minus of -1, that is equals to -3 minus into minus is +1, that is equals to -2. Minus into minus is plus. So numbers to compare are -3, -1 and -2. We have -1 on left of number line, then we have -2 and -3. -2, that is difference, which is greater than -3 but smaller than -1. When we go on left of number line, we get smaller number. When we go on right of number line, we get larger numbers. Now let us solve question number 2e. We have to find difference greater than both integers. We again have the comparison here. So we have to draw the number line. We have 0 in mid of the number line. And let's take a equals to 3, b equals to -2. We will get a minus b, that is equals to 3 minus of -2 that is equals to 3 minus into minus is plus 3 plus 2 is 5. Why? Because minus into minus is plus. Now we have to compare numbers a, b and a minus b. We have a equals to 3, b equals to minus 2 and c equals to 5. We got the sum which is greater than both the integers. When we go on right side of number 9, we get greater numbers. In next lecture we will solve example 1 and exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1, question 1 and question number 2. Thank you.